After learning about the main principles required to create a minimalist home, I will help you to further understand the minimalist home by going through each room in a house. Firstly, I'll start with the living room. The main purpose of this room is for your family to gather guests to hang out, and it is one of the most visited and largest parts of the room. Purging the unloved furniture in the room can help to open up the space to create a larger living room. Consider the usefulness of each furniture. Remove unnecessary decorations that distract you from the space. Start zoning the space based on the different living habits that your family would do. Having a designated zone for various hobbies like reading, crafting, or another designated zone for console gaming. This helps with the organization of the space. There should also be different organization units to store the different items in each zone, like magazines, newspapers, books, or console games and card games. The living room is a space to entertain guests as well. Having a snack drawer can keep the guests busy. Secondly, the kitchen and dining room. The kitchen and dining room is a place where we can prepare, store, serve, and consume food as a family. Start by emptying everything in the kitchen and start curating the different cookware, utensils, appliances, and tableware. Keep what is deemed useful and keep the necessary amount, especially for utensils and crockery. Check the expiration date of the items in the pantry. Ditch anything that is spoiled, rotten, moldy, or expired. Kitchen appliances that are rarely used can be stored away or donated. A rule of thumb to maintain a minimal kitchen: never leave dishes in the sink. This will affect your mood even as you walk into the kitchen staring at a mountain of dirty dishes in the sink. For food items in the fridge or pantry, keep them in labeled boxes to help them be organized easily. Thirdly, the home office. The home office will take some serious work as it is filled with mountains of papers and documents that need to be organized. The home office is a space where it needs to be neat and organized to help you focus better. A messy work area can create a lot of distractions, slowing productivity. Start by purging office supplies that are not necessary or duplicates. Next, remove all unwanted papers and documents. All important or confidential documents can be neatly organized in files to make finding them easier. Having a proper paper waste bin helps to reduce future clutter as well. A better way to reduce paper waste and keep the home office minimal will be to scan a copy of all the important documents and store them in a hard disk or computer. This will help clear the office space from documents. Having a drawer with stationeries, office supplies, checkbooks near you can help clear the desk from clutter too. Moving forward, the bedroom. The bedroom is a more private space in the house, a place of serenity. The bedroom should be the most minimal part of the house, as it is a room that should have minimal distractions to bring peace and focus. The bedroom requires minimal decoration. All it needs is the essential furniture, like a wardrobe, bed, dresser, laundry basket. This helps to open up the space, giving minimal distractions. The next step will be to organize everything, keeping a minimal set of clothing, makeup, etc. This helps to reduce the clutter in the wardrobe or dresser. Organizing these items into baskets, boxes, or folding them neatly helps to make them easily accessible as well. Lastly, the bathroom. This is the smallest part of the house with the least amount of storage space. Due to the space constraint, you need to figure out how much do you need. Having storage for toiletries in the bath area, keeping the toiletries to the essential like shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. For the grooming area near the sink, a small shelf is needed to store all grooming essentials like razors, face wash, toothbrush, and toothpaste. Through this in-depth study of a minimalist home, I hope that you will understand the essentials for each room. This can help you to reinforce a vision for the different spaces in your minimalist home.